Have you ever wondered if the humble shiitake mushroom could be a secret superfood? Well, recent research suggests that it might just be. Shiitake mushrooms, a staple in Asian cuisine, are not just tasty but also packed with health benefits that can give a significant boost to our well-being. Let's dive into the world of this fascinating fungus. The active compound found in shiitake mushrooms is called lentinan, also known as AHCCC or active hexose correlated compound. This compound is a potent promoter of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects at a cellular level. Imagine a simple mushroom working to protect your cells from damage and inflammation. But the benefits of shiitake mushrooms don't stop there. In fact, they might just be a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. A Petri dish study suggests that AHCC can help with inhibiting the growth of breast cancer cells. Moreover, its interaction with our immune system could potentially improve chemo-weakened immune systems, helping our bodies to better combat the disease. Now let's talk about comfort food. Picture a warm, soothing bowl of bone broth. Next time you prepare this comforting dish, consider adding a few chopped shiitake mushrooms. According to one study, consuming 5 to 10 grams of shiitake mushrooms every day helped boost human immune systems after just 4 weeks. That's right, a simple addition to your diet can help strengthen your body's defenses. In summary, shiitake mushrooms are more than just a delicious ingredient. They are a powerhouse of health benefits, promoting antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, potentially aiding in cancer treatment and boosting our immune system. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a pack of shiitake mushrooms. Your health will thank you.